Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother, Wacky. And today, we're making a bear hug t-shirt to give to our dad on Father's Day. Today, you're going to need large pieces of paper. You can use wax paper like I have here, or you can use large construction paper, or any thick paper you have at home. You're also going to need a blank t-shirt in your dad's size, scissors, a pencil, tape, some fabric paint, a plate or tray to hold your paint in, and some stamping brushes. You're going to need 2 pieces of paper for each person that's going to be on your Bear Hug t-shirt. First, you're going to trace your arms on your pieces of paper. You can trace your arm yourself, or you can have someone help you do it. Since I'm using wax paper, I'm going to draw on the rough side and leave the shiny side facing down. When you trace your arm, it doesn't have to be perfect because you can smooth it out later when we cut out our arm in the next step. Now we're going to cut out our arms. When you're cutting, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a rough stencil of our arms. Three wishes, what would you be? To get a wish unicorn, to stop global warming and world peace. What would you do? Next, you're going to take your blank t-shirt and smooth it out on a flat surface. To keep the paint from bleeding through, I put some wax paper inside of the t-shirt. Now I'm taking the arm stencils and placing them on the t-shirt so it looks like Rocky's hugging up high and I'm hugging down low. And now you're gonna want to tape your stencils to the t-shirt, to the table, and to each other so they don't move. Now that my arm stencils are secured and my paint is ready on a plate, I'm gonna take my stamping brush and stamp some paint on the inside of the stencils. Make sure when you're doing the edges, you're careful to come straight down so you don't lift up the paper. He's having a disco party. Now I'm gonna do the other hand. I'm gonna make this one look more like a rainbow. Now that we've finished coloring all of our arms, we have to let them completely dry.
I like these ones.
I like these ones too.
Yeah.
Last, we have to lift up the arm stencils carefully. And here's the finished Bear Hug t-shirt. Doesn't it look so cool?
Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty Father's Day.
Bye. Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother. Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and this is my brother, Wacky. And today, we're making a Bear Hug t-shirt for our dad, to give to our dads on Father's Day. I am a chipmunk.
Ow.
Hey, you're recording.
Who said?
Hey, she was recording.
I thought you had. I'm doing the floss. I'm doing the floss.
I can't do this.
Yay.